What's up, YouTube? We're back working on the Ford Edge today. Today we're doing the ball joints, which there's hardly any videos on YouTube explaining how to do the ball joints. So I'm going to run through it really quickly. So you have a 36 millimeter nut that holds the axle in place. You're going to want to remove that nut. You also have two nuts and bolts that holds the shock with the steering knuckle right there. So you want to move those bolts. You also have to remove the tie rod bolt. If you need to replace your tie rod, now is a good time to do it. My tie rods were pretty bad, so I had to go ahead and place it too. That is held in place with a 19 millimeter. Then I used the open and crescent wrench to break off the nut from the inner tie rod. In addition to that, there's two 19 millimeter bolts on the caliper to remove to get to that, along with taking off the brake rotor. And then the actual ball joint itself is held in place on the steering knuckle with a 15 millimeter bolt and a 15 millimeter nut and a 13 millimeter bolt on the steering knuckle on the bottom. And that's, you can see this right here. That's right here where the ball joint's held in place. So it's the 13 on this side, 15 on that side. I want to break that loose. 36 millimeter, 19 millimeter, two 19s, and then this is held onto the shock, the actual shock absorber. I forgot the sizes on those, but you're going to remove that. Take off this whole knuckle. Get yourself a ball joint kit. I picked this one up on Amazon for about $38. So been really helpful, pressing in and pressing it out. The rest of the kit is on top of the hood there, as you can see. I can put the link below this video to where you can buy this thing. Not that hard to do. It is a lot of stuff to remove, and it is a little bit time consuming. So if you have a free Saturday or Sunday, which you don't have much to do, but you need to change those ball joints, I would recommend doing it. The shop would charge you probably anywhere from $500 to $700 to do this, since they do got to press them in and out, or they may just replace the whole control arm. If your control arm bushings are fine, you just need the ball joint, I would recommend doing this. I picked the ball joints up from Rock Auto for about $7 a piece. They came with grease fittings, same quality as Duralast or Precision from like O'Reilly's or AutoZone. So save you some bucks there. Go to Rock Auto. I can place that link in the description too. So I got everything apart. I got the ball joint out. I'm finna go back in with the new ball joint. And once everything's back together, I will make another quick video to show you, and then we'll go from there. Thanks.